Hello, my name is Amber Mueller, and throughout this video I will provide an explanation of the mode function, including a description of what the mode function does, how to find the mode function in Excel, and an example to illustrate how this function works in Microsoft Excel 2010. First, what exactly does this function do? It returns the most frequently occurring or repetitive value in an array or range of data. Next, let's look at where this function is located in Excel. See the italicized FX above the blue arrow in the middle of the screenshot? Click on this and a new screen comes up. Here is where you can search for the function. Type mode in the search for a function box and click go or press enter. You will then come to this screen. In the list, you will find mode, which is the first option. Click OK or hit enter. To illustrate how this function works, let's look at an example. Notice on the screenshot in this slide, I have a list of numbers in column A, and I want to find the mode or the most often repeated number in this group of numbers. Let's say these are quiz scores for the students in a class, and the professor wants to figure out what the most common score students received is. In the function screen that I have after I searched for mode, I select the cells I want Excel to search either by typing the range or array in the blank or clicking on the button at the end of the blank, which will bring me back to my Excel worksheet, which allows me to click and drag to select the cells I want with my mouse. Notice at the bottom the formula result appears and I have the number 2 as my mode or the most often repeated number in this group of data. This means the most common score on this quiz was 2. The top screenshot on this page shows the example I just walked through, but showing the formula, which you can also find by clicking on the Formula tab in the ribbon on the top of the Excel screen and clicking on Show Formulas in the Formula Auditing section. Another way to use this function is to go to cell A1, click on it, and type equals mode, since that is your function, scroll to the third option, hit the tab button, and the function is ready for you to input the information. Insert each piece of information separated by a comma, the right parenthesis, and hit enter. You will know the order the information needs to be entered as a guide appears after you hit the tab button as shown on the screenshot on the bottom of the screen. This concludes my how-to video on the mode function for finding your mode or most often repeated number in a group of data in Microsoft Excel 2010.